Lazy,
busy,
hungry, same.
That's why these no-fuss energy bites are my new superpower. You're going to love them, Tracy. Everyone's going to love them. They're
So
fast,
good.
easy, healthy.
And delicious.
That's the most important thing.
All right.
Welcome to our channel. We are the
Lazy Cook.
and the Healthy Chef.
And we would love it if you would subscribe and follow along.
Yeah. So check us out. Subscribe on YouTube, Lazy Cook, Healthy Chef, or Instagram, TikTok. We're everywhere.
Anywhere.
Yeah.
Anywhere.
All the places.
And everywhere.
All the places.
So, dark chocolate, right there, you got my attention.
I knew I would.
Strawberry energy bites.
Yeah.
So I can't wait to learn all about this. I've been eating other things, otherwise I'd already be in all of this, specifically the coconut. Okay,
Yeah.
let's go.
You know, Tracy, I was
Yep.
thinking, what can we do that's easy, fast, and healthy? I know I'm super concerned about healthy. You are too.
Yeah, I'm concerned too. I'm more interested in fast.
Yeah, you are. Because you're the
not
lazy
fast
cook.
food, but not fast food. But not fast food. I want
Right.
fast and healthy.
So a few simple ingredients.
All right.
Okay, so of course we're doing dark chocolate chips. These are dairy free.
Dairy free.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, you know, I
geez.
always have to taste
I'm
it.
gonna let you have that. We've got peanut butter. This is natural
Yummy.
peanut butter, organic.
And make sure that there's no sorbitol or fake sugar in it. It's now being called birch sugar. And that's very dangerous to dogs. I just
Really in peanut butter?
Yes, they're putting it in peanut butter, and people think they're doing the
Awful.
right thing
No.
for their animals by giving them peanut butter. But you really, really have to make sure that there's no xylitol in it.
Organic maple syrup. Okay. We've got some old-fashioned oats.
Love it.
Simple. A little bit of vanilla, just a teaspoon of vanilla. I've got flax meal, which is
Oh.
going to bump up the fiber.
Oh, love it.
All right, and it's high in alpha-linolenic acid. It's just good.
I wouldn't even
fatty
attempt
acids,
to say that word.
Super healthy.
Glad you
and then
are.
we've got chia seeds, which are really good for
So
us.
good for you.
Yeah, and also high in fiber, and they've got some good protein, good fat. And then we're gonna roll it out once we create our energy bite. We're gonna just toss some coconut on the top. We're also adding freeze-dried strawberries into the energy bite. So it's dark chocolate strawberry.
I love it.
You want to make sure you have all the right tools. Okay, so first of all, obviously a mixing bowl, a spoon. You want to have a baking sheet lined with parchment paper.
That's right. And then my favorite, the melon baller.
Yeah. I think she just likes to say it.
I do.
Honestly.
I like to use a good melon baller.
So here's how I like to do it. It's simple. All the dry ingredients go in first. So you want to start?
Sure.
Go ahead.
Dry
Go.
ingredients.
We could do
so
the
I'm
oats.
going with the oats.
Oats. Yep.
And chocolate,
She's
my
doing
favorite.
the chocolate first.
Well, you said just
Dried
put 'em
strawberry.
in. Can I put these in?
Yeah, it's
or are we
freeze-dried.
rolling in them?
No, you can drop them in.
Okay. Uh-oh.
They're kind of sticky.
Okay, they are kind of sticky. What
Yeah.
about this, or is that the after?
No, this is the after.
Okay, the coconut is for the after.
Yeah.
The flaxseed meal,
Yeah.
which I've never heard of.
Super
This is-
high in fiber.
That's fabulous.
and good fats.
That's why she's the healthy chef.
all into the health.
And the chia seeds are all
High in
going
fiber,
in.
good fats.
Love
They're
it.
all in. So
Love it,
Tracy,
love it.
once all the dry ingredients are in,
Yeah.
can you please give that a mix?
I can.
Yeah. And
Because
don't forget.
I'm full service.
Right, she is. She does it all. And wait until we give her the melon baller. Then it's all over but the shouting.
Everything's going. Gonna hit the roof.
This looks good.
All right.
So now we're going to add in our peanut
Can
butter.
I use this?
Yeah, of
Okay.
course. Yeah.
All right, just checking. Oh, Ivy heard peanut butter.
Okay, we said
Even
peanut
her-
butter and we have like
Yeah,
three
three
dogs.
dogs.
Hi, Luca.
You don't need one of those whistles.
Okay,
You just need
here.
peanut butter.
Oh, I should give it to them. I'm really tempted to give the dogs peanut butter.
And
We're
this is-
making a video, so we need to focus on our cooking video, not the dogs.
That's right.
How hard is this for us?
I know. Honestly, we have the attention span of a gnat, and we're trying to cook. Okay.
And still,
maple
this is
syrup.
only taking us 5 minutes. There's your maple syrup, if you wanted to know.
Yes, if you subtracted all the interruptions, it really is 5 minutes.
Yes, and I'm going to add
Okay.
a little bit of
Oh,
vanilla.
that's right, vanilla.
Yeah. And if you want to do a little pinch of salt, that's fine. I didn't do that, but you can if you want. Okay. So this is the goal. This is what we want to make these look like, okay?
Okay.
All right.
So we're using what I normally use to do my hair color. Rubber gloves.
Don't you
make
love
this?
that she does her own hair color? I think that's like
I'm my own glam squad, for better or worse.
You are very glamorous. So
Okay,
God
so-
bless you. What do I don't know what to do with that extra coconut. I was
eating it.
Okay.
It was fabulous. Okay, so we've taken
Yeah.
the melon baller. We have
Tracy's favorite tool.
my favorite tool in the kitchen, And now what am I going to do?
Put it in my hand and just roll it into like, even it out and then roll it here.
Which is why I have gloves on.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then get the coconut on it. Then I just do one little dab, like the top part into here. So I just get a little bit of red on the top.
Oh, you put the...
Just any part. Just, that's it.
I feel like
you might want to
easier if I could just do that.
Do that. That's fine too.
Why are yours so pretty and mine is so mushy?
No, it's fine. We're good. We're good.
It's not.
Okay, let me demonstrate. Let me demonstrate,
you do
my
this.
friend. I'm sorry, I'm using your melon baller. I know you're emotionally attached to
I am
this
emotionally
thing.
attached to it.
Really loves her melon
Okay.
baller. So you just do one scoop and then just do a roll. And then what I would do is I would just a little bit, right? So
so I just did
most of it.
I rolled too much. Let's
coconut
just say
on
that.
most of it, but leave like an empty spot, and then you want to dip to get the red to stick. That's all. Yep.
All right.
Well,
so
and just roll.
It's my rolling technique. Is
okay.
is
Then I'm
no
gonna
bueno.
roll, and you do the melon balling.
All right.
How's that?
That works.
There.
Yeah.
Cute. They're
Looks
cute.
really cute.
Yeah. We're doing
This
good.
would be a really good thing to do with your kids.
Oh,
Because it's
yeah.
simple and easy, and if they ate any part of it raw, it would be okay.
Yeah. No, absolutely. These are no bake, no fuss. We
And
just want to
really
freeze
good,
them.
Like when you're picking up your kids after school, they're always starving.
Yeah.
And if you want to give them a lot of fiber and some protein that is really, really tasty and no fillers.
Yeah.
This couldn't be easier. I think this takes less energy than driving to the market and picking up something that may not be as healthy for them.
Right. We're going to pop these in the freezer for about 30 to 40 minutes, and then they'll be ready to eat.
All right, we're going into the freezer. 30 to 40 minutes. Now, why is there a 30 to 40? What am I looking for to know that it's done?
It's just going to stiffen up a little bit more, and that's what you want. You want it to stiffen up.
So you just want it to stiffen up, meaning to the touch, it's hard. Okay, here we go.
All right.
I'm telling you, you're going to love these, Tracey.
I can't wait to try them.
Well, we've made them.
Okay, so we're putting them on.
We can put them on the
plate.
pretty dish, but we can also have a bite. So
let's definitely have a bite. Here, you do that, I'll bite.
Okay, you do the You eat and I'll plan. How is it?
Crunchy, peanutty, chocolatey, coconutty. Can you say that? Coconutty?
Coconutty.
That's better.
What do you think?
Oh, they're so good.
I'm going.
You're better at the bigger bite.
You know what it tastes like? Peanut butter and jelly with chocolate.
It's so good. So good. You cannot go wrong with these. Please let us know if you make them and how you like them.
For more fun times in the kitchen with Lazy Cook and Healthy Chef recipes, check out our YouTube channel, The Lazy Cook and the Healthy Chef. Thanks again for watching. Remember to like, save, share, and that you are deeply loved by God.